Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. Thank you again for being here. I do truly appreciate it. I hope that you will consider subscribing. If you are new, go ahead and hit the button. We'd love to have you. And please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment. I love talking with you guys. As you can see, we do have a new unboxing. It's not really a subscription. It is from a company called Fashom. What I like about this is it is a clothing, clothing service. Basically, you go on to their website, you fill out this very extensive, actually, like styling type profile, and then you're matched with a stylist who will go based off of your profile. And I mean, I'm talking not just like what size and clothes you wear, but down to like your hair color, your eye color. I mean, it is a very extensive profile. They will match you with like 7 items. You pick 5, they send them to you, and you try them on at home. They do send a like prepaid return mailer. So basically you keep what you like and then you just pay for that. With Fashom, your first 2 styling sessions are free. After that, they are $15 a piece. However, anything that you decide to keep from anything sent to you, you do get that $15 styling fee. Basically, you get it back. It's applied towards the cost of anything that you decide to keep. And if the more items you keep, the less, like they take, like if you keep 3 or more items, they take an additional 25% off. So they actually reached out to me and asked me to review their service. So I was like, sure. So I went online, I filled out the profile, and the stylist sent me, you know, like I said, I believe it was 7 items, and I picked 5, and they're in this box. So we're gonna take a look. It's actually it's been a little while, so I don't really remember, but we are gonna go ahead and get this open. I'm like dying to see what is in here, even though, like I said, I don't really remember. So it'll kind of be a surprise. It'll be one of those like, oh, I remember. So all right. Yep, right here on top, we have the prepaid return mailer. And then we have some information here. It says, hello, beautiful. And then this is what it looks like inside the box. So we will set that down. Well, let's take a look right here. Okay, so this tells everything that is in here. And yes, it is. Purchase 3 or more items and you do receive 25% off. Okay, so here it basically says, try everything on in the comfort of your home, buy what you like and send back the rest. It says use the prepaid mailer, return the items you do not want, need an exchange. You can contact them and they'll send you the right size. And it says for each Fashom box, we contribute $1 to Second Chance Rescue NYC Dogs. So that's really awesome. They give back. Love companies that give back. And then it says, thank you so much. If you need any more, there's more information. It's info@fashom.com. And it says, love yourself, love your body. So I think that is super awesome. Like I said, they reached out to me and I was very excited to work with them. So let's open it up. Like it is packaged really well. All right. So the first item is, it is a pair of super adorable it's by Cut from the Cloth. This is called the Catherine Boyfriend. It's basically like capris, but they have the distressed look. Thought they were super, super cute. And I like, they feel stretchy. So I'm sure they are going to be amazingly comfortable. So those are really cute. I really like those. All right, and then let's see. What are you? You are, this is a rayon span stripe twist top. So this is really cute. It is a short sleeve top. And then you see down there at the bottom, it has the cute little twist. It has the scoop neck, which I love. So I think this is super cute. It's simple, but really, really cute. Very soft. I really like that. And then this one, I love this color. Oh, this is pretty. This is, it says skies are blue, front tied detail short sleeve top in plum. It's got the little keyhole thing on the back of the top. And then you can see here, again, it's kind of got that knotted look. That is super cute. I love this color. Like, I love it. And it's so soft. That is really adorable. Ooh, this is pretty, y'all. Okay. Like, super, super pretty. This is the 3/4 sleeve V-neck print tunic. You see this? Like, it is, and then down at the bottom, like, this is so pretty. And the sleeves have the same as the bottom. That is so cute. I really, really, really like this, like, a lot. That's adorable. And that would look so cute with the capris. And then our last item here, long striped cardigan. Ooh, I like this a lot. So it is a thin, lightweight cardigan. And you can see the stripe design. It is very, very pretty. But it is super long. So that is really cute, you guys. You see the pattern? It is adorable. I love that. That is very cute. So I really like this. Like, that's a lot of, I mean, they did a really good job. I mean, obviously I went in, like I said, because they pick, I think, like 7 items and you select 5. And I just kind of was like, this one, you know. But actually seeing them in person, they are so much cuter. And they did such a great job, because if I were to go somewhere, you know, to Kohl's or something to buy clothing, this is what I would buy. So I think that is fantastic. And like I said, your first 2 styling sessions are free. After that, they are $15 a month. But if you do purchase anything, that $15 does go towards your purchase. And you purchase 3 or more items, you get an additional 25% off. And the pricing on the items is really not that bad. It is very comparable to, like I said, Kohl's or, you know, Belk's or somewhere. if not less, actually. Yeah. So I think it's all super cute. And like I said, it's to your door. And I can definitely tell. I'm like, my mind is like, wow. I can definitely tell, like I said, because it is such an extensive questionnaire that you fill out. It clearly, they pay attention to what you say on that questionnaire, and they match you with items that are exactly what you're looking for. So I am very happy with these items. And yeah, this is awesome. So I will make sure to leave all of the information for Fashom down below. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I'd be more than happy to answer. Otherwise, I hope you all had a great day, that you enjoyed the video, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.